Namaste. Now we will see how to interface the camera to the Raspberry Pi. So for this one, now I have just a Raspberry Pi without the camera. We need to purchase this Raspberry Pi camera. That will be something, okay, I'm going to show that. It will be something like this. Okay, this is the Raspberry Pi camera and this is the cable. Okay, so here this one side is attached and this side we need to insert it to the Raspberry Pi's camera port. So when you see the Raspberry Pi here, okay, I think it's visible. So just keep this one like this only. Here we have the two slots, that is one for the display and another one is for the camera. So this is for the camera, it is written here, you need to observe this. So this is for the camera. So we need to insert this cable. Okay, so this cable has one side, this something silver color, and it has to be matched with this one. I think you can understand. You need to just open this, just disconnect the Raspberry Pi and just like this. Okay, if you lift it, it will come up, and we need to insert this one. Okay, here when you see this, this golden side has to be come this side. Okay, it will be understand if you look at this one. So we just need to insert this one. Okay, we need to properly lift it and insert like this, and again relock this slot, just press it. Now the camera, that is the Raspberry Pi camera, is connected to this one. Okay, I think okay, now it is going to just make like this. Yeah, here it is connected here. So now this is connected, camera is connected. Now we need to plug in again the power supply. Okay, so okay, this is powered up now. You can see the light. You can see this. Okay, now there is no any light for this camera, that means not blinking. This camera has some LED here. Okay, here it has some LED like in this place. Yeah, here it has some LED, it's not blinking. So we need to tell the Raspberry Pi that we are attached the camera. So for that we need to go to okay, I'm just going to open this one and Pi, and just type sudo raspi config. Then here we have interface options. Just click on this enter, that's third option. Then go to the camera, that is the first one. Okay, click enter. Now here it is asking, would you like the camera interface to be enabled? Default it is no. We need to change this to yes and click enter. The camera interface enabled. Now we successfully enabled the camera. Then click OK. Now click tab, come to finish and click enter. Now it is asked for the reboot. Click yes. So now it's rebooting. Then now if you see here, okay, just unplug and plug it, it just went out. So if I connect this Raspberry Pi to the, yeah, here you can see the LED blinks. That means the camera interface is on now. So I think you understood how to connect this camera to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, now it has to need to wait. Okay, because of this cable it is not focusing on this Pi sometimes. Okay, so login as Pi. Now the camera is enabled. So now I just opened in the Chrome the Raspberry Pi commands, that means the Raspberry Cam commands. Okay, now we interface the camera, so you can get all these syntaxes in their official website. So here we have related to the camera, there are 4 commands are there: capturing still photographs with camera module, capturing video with camera module, taking picture at the regular interval and stitching them together into a video, that's the time lapse. Then time lapse means that yeah, I think you know, in mobile and all, capturing still photographs, generating uncompressed view files. So now we just checking whether our camera is connected properly or not. We just check this Raspberry still, that means to take the still image, we just need to execute this command, that means Raspberry still, that is the command /o means output, and here the output cam.jpg, any file name you can give. So now we will check cam.jpg. okay, let that it be, and my camera is facing, here you can see this is facing a little bit upwards, so we will check. Yeah, now it's taking the photograph, so it becomes red color and it has to go. Yeah, now I think it took, we will check it. Here I have, yeah, cam.jpg. When I right click, double click, here we will see which photo it took. Yeah, it took this photograph. I think yeah, my camera is okay. I think you understood this. Yeah, that's how to interface the camera to the Raspberry Pi. And if you get an error while interfacing, you just you in the comment box, or okay, that's it. I think you understood this. Thank you.